I just checked the LKQ app, and I think a 2004 Jetta just hit the yard. So I'm gonna go hit it in hopes that I can find those O2J shifter parts. I'm definitely getting some steps in today. The car I want is on the last row, the very back of the junkyard. Well, here it is. It is manual, and it looks like everything I need is here and intact. So I'm gonna take it out. The good thing about pulling something from the junkyard is that you get at least one repetition in taking all the parts out that you're gonna do on your own car. And you get to practice on a car that nobody cares about. These are a pain. Well, there it is. And everything looks to be in, as the Brits would say, pretty good nick. So I'm gonna get down to the business of taking it out. This Jetta overall is in pretty good condition. The door lock modules are in better condition than mine are. Everything was going smooth until I got to the part where I had to remove the shift tower. And to break the seal and start to get it going, I had to use my adjustable wrench and another wrench ganged up, wedged it in, and I was able to get it going. So now hopefully I'll get that out and I will have all the O2J parts. So I got all the shift parts out, but I did make one snafu. I accidentally broke this little L thing that comes out. I think you use that to align it when you're adjusting it. I don't know how to replace that, so I'm gonna search for another one in the junkyard, and if I can't find it, I may have to take a trip to a different one. I found another junkyard with a manual Mark IV and headed over there. All right, so I was in and out in less than 30 minutes, and I had the new shift tower with the little plastic lever intact. So now I'm gonna go home. So that is how I acquired the O2J setup for my 99 Golf. If you'd like to see how I install it, hit subscribe, because that video will be coming out shortly. And if you'd like to see the other work I've already done on my Mark IV Golf, check out my playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.